looked at. Oh, bless you. I just looked at the Mosin class, and in his tac rig he has PU scope.
Whoa. Oh, so you can like throw it on or take it off. That's actually sick.
Yeah. That is cool.
I didn't know that.
Ooh, I like this.
Blue.
What bullets do I have? Does it
Kill
not
red.
say?
Kill red. Kill red. Alt T. I have to do that every round, or people will start shooting each other. Right is
oh yeah,
usually
dude.
the biggest
This is
fight.
like home turf. You know. Whoa.
Right side up top.
Shoot red.
Yeah.
He's
On
in
right
tech.
side. I see one right side.
Ooh, got him.
Nice.
One guy right.
One was pushing right to left. One's on me. Oh, wow, destroyed.
Nice.
I'm right side now up top.
Okay. I'm in the center by a tree. Is he in spawn or is he right?
Oh, he's up top, right side.
Is it across?
Across
The
from
hill?
me.
Okay. Oh, down low. Got him. Dude, put us on woods. And we start wrecking.
Yep. 2 kills each. The death.
That's how you do it. Okay. Are you gonna go up top?
Yeah.
I'll stay low, I think. But I'm going far right.
Good thing about this match for you is that I can't help you with right till I'm clear left.
Okay.
Not clear left.
I hit him center.
One dead left.
I hit center guy. I think I got the assist.
No eyes center. Eyes on.
Okay.
One down center.
Nice.
There's still one center brown building.
I'm pushing.
Barn.
Barn. Okay.
He was left side of it last
I'm
I
in
saw him.
tech.
We have a teammate in barn though now.
I'm pushing that.
Behind barn maybe? He's going in the barn now. He just went in. I'm dead. He's another one left side. He's behind barn. The one that
Whoa. I have no idea where this guy was from. Oh, he's far back in his spawn, dude.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Sniping.
Oh, he's like in a truck. Did you see that? Who was that?
I don't know. Storm Forge, I think. Bro, in the middle of you killing yourself with a nade, you had the chance to shoot him with a sniper like you were trying to do. Like what?
Going far left again.
Going far, far right. I'm on sniper watch, so I'm covering right side right now. Dude, that was really bad.
He's gonna be up top.
He's up top that way, yep.
You pick up your gun?
He shot me with he's got the same gun as me. He's there. You saw him across.
Oh,
Still.
okay.
On the left side at the end. Yeah. Nice.
Wow.
What a shot. That was crazy. This is where it starts getting dangerous because you can see them pretty
doing
far
further.
over there. Yeah, they're like across. You can usually get a shot or two on them before they start spotting you. Oh, there's one on the back.
Oh, I got hit.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. He's dead.
Nice.
There's another one closer on the rocks.
Okay, I'm healing up still.
Got him. No, someone else must have got him. Yeah, someone else got him. No, I got him. It just took forever to load.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it just showed me the kill.
Oh, that's so weird. Good kill. He's back with an M700.
There he is.
Left.
Yeah.
He's running. Crap. He's behind the boxes. Got him. Oh, can you jump on the roof of this?
Maybe. There's barbed wire there, so maybe not.
Huh.
Oh, he's in tech. He's in tech in the window.
Okay. Crap.
With us. Give me a pistol.
Oh, we had another guy. Whew, okay.
Вот это impossible! Хорош!
We just got destroyed. I hear someone right side again.
Oh, he's far right.
I'm moving up. Crap, of course he started moving.
There's two right. There's two right. There's two right side.
Okay.
There's one in barn.
Oh!
Nice
That was such a
shot.
nice peek. Oh, at me, I think, by the rocks.
Yeah, he's still right side.
He's behind us. He's on me. Like he was behind in our spawn. I bet you I saw him. No, I didn't. He's not in our spawn. He was to my left. Wow, that guy
Nice,
tanked.
Yeah, he did.
Good kill though. Think there's another one. I don't know
I
actually.
saw him.
I don't want to. Dude.
Good night. Nighty night.
That was such a great shot. I'm gonna try right side though.
I'm going left low.
Ooh,
Stay
okay.
middle. Take the dirt. Try and get some cover. There's no center cover. That's the problem. It's like buildings and that's it.
Yeah, only.
Nice. That goes down.
Someone flanked hard, I guess.
You see me the nade?
Oh!
What a shot.
No scope. Right side. Oh, on the far right hill.
Left side dead. Checking from far right.
Got him.
Nice kill. You're going off this round. I found top left. He's in the corner. Nice hit.
He's not dead yet. Got him.
Побеждает команда синих!
Wow.
Nice. Dude, you went off that round.
Победа! Синие
Look at us,
заслужили
dude.
свою награду.
We're crushing.
Oh my goodness.
That round was crazy. There was so many nasty shots. 140K I got from that.